Today we have to see about the topic chemical kinetics. The most important type of the physical chemistry includes thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, and the chemical kinetics is the most important topic of the physical chemistry. Chemical kinetic means the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of reaction, mechanism of the reaction, and rate are the factors affecting on the rate of the reaction. The chemical equilibrium related to the three parts. First is the position of reaction, second visibility of reaction, and third is a mechanism of the reaction. The thermodynamic quantities like delta S, change in entropy, delta G, change in Gibbs free energy, and delta H, change in enthalpy, are related only the initial and final state of the system, but this chemical kinetics related to the position, visibility of the reaction, as well as mechanism of the reaction. Now, the most important term of the chemical kinetics is the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is defined as the change in concentration of designated species per unit time interval, and mathematically equation is represented as change in concentration upon time interval. Depending upon the time interval rate, this rate of reaction is classified into the two types. First, average rate. Average rate, and second one is instantaneous rate. Depending upon the time interval, rate is classified into the two types. First is the average rate and second is the instantaneous rate. Out of this, the first is the average rate. Average rate is defined as the change in concentration of the designated species per unit time interval, and mathematically it is represented as average rate equal to change in concentration of designated species divided by time interval. And this is the average rate of reaction. This average rate in symbolic form is represented as delta C upon delta T. This is equals to the delta C upon delta T. Example of average rate. Consider a reaction A to B. This is A to B. Consider this reaction A are the reactant and B are the products. Then the rate, average rate is given as the first in case of the reactant, average rate of consumption of A is equal to average rate of consumption of A equal to minus delta concentration of A upon delta T. Similarly, in case of the product B, average rate of formation of B is equal to plus delta concentration of B upon delta T. Therefore, the average rate of the reaction is given as average rate equal to minus delta concentration of A upon delta T equal to plus delta concentration of B upon delta T. This is about average rate of the reaction. In this case, this negative sign indicates the decrease in concentration of this reactant A, and this positive sign indicates increase in concentration of this product B. In this case, the unit for the average rate is units moles per dm cube per second, or molarity per second, or moles per liter per second. These are the three units are used for this average rate of the reaction. The next part is instantaneous rate of the reaction.